What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your boy Ricarti, man. What's the word, man? What's the word, man? Hey, look though, I haven't been really posting, man. I just haven't been feeling too good. I've been under the weather a little bit, but yeah. So today's video, I'm gonna show y'all my recent pickups. So yeah, man. Without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe button. Let's jump right to it. Let's do it. Bruno Mars. This gonna be a thumbnail. Yeah. Bruno Mars been sending me a lot of stuff, y'all. It's basically like a classic fashion brand. They sent me some loafers. I think I did this in one of my videos, how to style loafers. I haven't worn these yet. Hard. They're very comfortable. I love the smell of new shoes. But yeah, I'm like really love loafers. Shout out to Michael Jackson, rest in peace. I really love these, man. I love loafers. This is what they sent me. They sent me these loafers too. Haven't worn them yet. I just got these like 2 days ago. Yeah, these are hard. Fire. I don't know, I'm just starting to become more of a bougie, fancy nigga. You feel me? Got the cut, you know what I'm saying? Got the turtleneck, like that's what vibe I'm starting to complete with my fashion for real. And then they sent me these. These cool. I don't know how I'm gonna wear these. These cool. I could probably do all tan. I don't know. We gonna see. They cool, you know. Free pair of shoes. Why not? I'll figure something how to style them. I don't know. I don't know, bruh. Let's get to the clothes now. So this is for two brands. Well, not two brands. It's the same brand. They sent me 2 pieces. And the brand is... This is the brand, I think. They sent me this jacket. It's like it's orange inside. And then it got... Not much. Not much, none less. And then they sent me this. This is hard. I'm wearing this for Easter. I'm gonna do an Easter fit. It's gonna be so fire. So yeah, it's gonna be an Easter fit. I can't wait to that. Fresh cut, Easter fit. All right, got the whole fit planned out. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Got a package today. I don't know what it is, so we're gonna open it right now. Let me put y'all down a little bit. There we go. So we're gonna open it. I don't know what it is. I always check, they leave me a note. So is this brand? They sent me 4 pieces. Ooh. Nah, this hard. It's kind of similar to my other jacket. It's hard. And then you can put the hood on. The hood goes on this. Oh, this is hard. Is there a thing like they always put orange inside? Like the other jacket did that. I think it makes it pop. No, this is hard. Definitely putting the hood on. For sure. Getting clothes make me happy, y'all. Free clothes, I gotta promote. Fire. It's not zippering up. This the next piece. Oh, it's a beanie. Should I put it on? Might mess my hair up, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. Oh. Yeah. Fire. Alright, next piece. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, I like this material. It's thick. No Diddy. It's quality. Yeah, I like this material. That cool, that cool, that cool. All gas, no brakes. All gas, no brakes. Now you send me this. All gas, no brakes. All gas, no brake. What up, shawty? Hey, yo, shawty. Hey, what up, though? You know what I'm saying? I gotta adjust it. It's a strap back. This is hard. Hey, yo, shawty. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey. It like two of them over there, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Okay, it's hard. Y'all think this goes with it? Or this, nah, that's doing too much, huh? Yeah, that's doing too much. Nah, this hat definitely fire. I'm gonna wear this with something. You know what I'm gonna do? This is how I do my fits. So I'm gonna do this hat with something super plain, probably like, not all black, but like something that pops out. I could do like an all blue shirt, all white shirt, something plain. Just watch how I do it. I'm gonna put my beanie back on. It's brown and pink. But that's the end of the video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Honestly, my favorite piece is this. This is my favorite piece. I can't wait to style it and wear it on Easter. Yeah, it's your boy Ricarti, man. I'm gonna start rolling this content back out. Yeah, man, it's your boy Ricarti. I'll see y'all in the next video, man.